So I just want to congratulate you for passing your PowerPoint 365 certification exam. And what was your score?
850.
Going for 1,000 over 1,000. How come? What happened? You're not supposed to discuss the questions because it's confidential. But what happened?
Some of the questions, I knew what to do, but I wasn't sure if I was correct. So I couldn't be like, oh, it is correct. Like I was positive about it for a few of them. I think that's all. But
Oh,
majority of the
okay.
questions I understood.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. At least you've done well. Yeah. So, looking at the journey so far, the skills that you've acquired, can you explain to me how you'll be using it moving forward?
Um, Maybe I would use the skills I've learned in like group works I have with my classmates and stuff. Like I would put those skills into use.
Okay. Okay,
Exactly.
that's good. And beyond the classwork and the project work at school, when you complete your A levels, you get into the university, you'll be using these skills a lot for
Mm-hmm.
presentations, projects, and even when you start working. So it is something you just build upon. And I'm happy that at least you sailed through the program successfully. And I'm also happy to inform you that you are now a Microsoft Office Specialist Associate because you've passed Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So the next thing that we will do is to look at Excel Expert.
Mm-hmm.
Then I think you've already done Word Expert, correct?
Yes.
Yes. Then we look at Outlook so that you'll be a total human being, a total digitally literate individual. And of course, you have your master certification in the IC3GS6, which is a plus. So all that
Mm-hmm.
we are doing, Lila, it's for work. In as much as it's for school, we just building your skill set for the future. And I don't want you to disappoint me when you start working. I want people to know that yes, oh, Fifi trained me and I know how to use the digital tools for work to improve productivity. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much. And I'll meet you within the course of the week for more lessons. Yep. Bye bye for
Okay,
now.
so bye, sir.
Bye.